G'day everyone, Connor here from CW Tech, back with another video, and today we're doing my software review of the Nokia 7 Plus. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get started. Let's go. Now I have to say that compared to last year, the Nokia software is 10 steps above where Nokia was. Last year, the Nokia phones, except for the Nokia 8, you would press the app buttons and they would take a while to load, and they were slow and laggy and janky, and they just hadn't optimized the software with the hardware, and it was a bad experience. It was so bad, between that and the camera, I wanted to abandon Nokia forever. Thankfully I didn't, because this year I have the Nokia 7 Plus, and my experience is the complete opposite to last year. Now, in general use with the phone, simply scrolling and opening applications is a nice and pleasant experience. Applications open when you tap on them, and scrolling through, the pages load when they should, and there's no noticeable lag, in my opinion. As well as when I'm playing games, it's a nice and smooth experience, and I do appreciate the effort that Nokia has put into this. We're currently running Android 8.1, and this is filmed in June, and I have the June security update. So that's a pleasant experience as well, knowing that I have the latest security patches and I am a secure user of Android. I've also installed Android P on my Nokia 7 Plus, and that was an easy experience, and there's a link below on how to achieve this. Now, Nokia has a few little features that they have added into the software experience. They have the Nokia Camera app, the Nokia Support app, and there are 5 gestures as well that they have included in the software. Those gestures are: turn over the phone to reject a call, which I love. I hate talking on my phone. I never answer my phone, so I do that a lot. Phone's ringing, turn it over, rejects the call. The next one is mute on pickup. So I might not want to reject the call and let the person know that I've burned them. I might just want to mute it. So if it's ringing, I pick it up, it mutes it. And that's nice and handy, non-intrusive. Next on the gestures is swiping down on the fingerprint sensor. Now this is done to bring down your notification panel and your quick settings panel. I think that on every device you should be able to do this from within the home screen, but unfortunately you cannot with the Nokia, so you do have to use that fingerprint scanner, which I find pretty handy. Sometimes it's a little bit fiddly, but it's nice to have the option and the gesture there to enable. Next is jump to camera. So double press the power button to bring the camera up and start shooting pictures. I do find that a little bit handy as well. For me, I have to remember it's there. When I do remember it's there, I use it, and it is nice and simple. And the last gesture on the Nokia 7 Plus is lift to check your phone. So if you pick your phone up and look at it, you will get the time, date, any notification symbols you have, and any other information you have enabled to be seen from the lock screen. So there's 5 gestures that Nokia's enabled, which I find really cool, really handy, and they actually add to the experience in a pleasant way of using this device. The other app that I think has improved greatly is the camera app, and I'm not going to cover all of it in this video because I'm doing a full camera review of the Nokia 7 Plus. I'm working on it now, but I can assure you that the Nokia 7 Plus's camera app is greatly improved and a huge step ahead over last year's. 2 negatives for me. One, going from the home screen to the Google Now screen is a little bit janky. Now I'm not going to say it's a lag because it doesn't really lag. It just sort of stutters across and it's a little bit ugly to look at. And also when you use your jumping from app to app by double tapping on the recents button, that experience is a little bit janky as well. And you can definitely see that it sort of stutters through the process. That's the 2 areas I've noticed that lag. Everywhere else, scrolling and opening applications is really easy, nice, pleasant and fluid experience. So overall, we're looking at a really nice experience on the Nokia 7 Plus. Smooth to open apps, smooth to scroll, things are quick to load. A couple of situations where there's a little bit of jankiness, the added gestures and the improved camera app. All in all, the Nokia 7 Plus works really well with the hardware that they have paired it with. You've got the Snapdragon 660, 4 gigs of RAM, 3800 mAh battery, improved cameras. The software and all that hardware together have made this a really pleasant experience. I can't speak highly enough of the Nokia 7 Plus's software. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Check out.